Welcome to this second video on the CADAC financial form. My name is David, and in this video, we will cover how to complete the financial form using the Excel document with the export-import function. After watching this video, you will be able to complete the financial form by using the CADAC Excel template. This method is especially useful for completing multiple years at the same time. Now, this video will only cover how to complete and import the Excel template. For more information on the financial form's structure and statuses, please refer to the previous video on completing the financial form online. Before starting on this task, you should have a user account and have access to at least one organization. If you do not have access to CADAC, please refer to the first series of videos and other training material available on the cadac.ca training page. Now let's go over the key items that will be covered in this video. When applying for or receiving core funding, arts organizations must complete their financial forms. This video will help make sense of this process. The key items that we will cover in this video are how to access the financial forms, navigating the financial form Excel template, completing the financial form using the Excel template, and how to successfully import the template into CADAC. First, let's go over how to navigate to the financial forms. From the homepage, click on Organizations in the top menu. On the Organizations page, open the Actions drop-down menu for your organization and click on Financial and Statistical Forms. You will be redirected to the Financial and Statistical Forms page. From the Financial and Statistical Forms page, scroll down to the bottom, and under the financial table, click on the Export button. This will download the Excel template that you will use to enter data. Once it's downloaded, open the file. Now let's take a look at the Excel template. When a user downloads the Excel template, the organization name and fiscal years are already populated. Data and notes previously entered in CADAC for any fiscal year will also be included in the template. The template includes 2 years prior to the current year and 4 years beyond the current year. If you need to enter financial data for any fiscal year that is not included in the template, you must enter it directly online. Also note that the system will not let you modify and import a year that is already locked or under review. Now, to complete the form, click on Enable Editing, and before entering any values, make sure you're entering financial data for the correct fiscal year. Now simply enter values in the corresponding lines for the fiscal years you're working on. You can enter comments to give more information about your entry in the row right underneath the line value. Comments cannot exceed 500 characters per line. Do not input any data in cells that are gray. These cells either do not require data or contain formulas that automatically calculate values. Also, make sure not to manipulate the document in any way other than entering financial data and notes, as this could create problems when importing the document. The Excel template also has 2 other tabs: the View Without Notes and the Notes Only. These tabs are for reference only and not for input. Once you have filled in the Excel template, you can save the file on your desktop and return to the Financial and Statistical Forms page in CADAC. From the Financial and Statistical Forms page, scroll to the bottom and click on Import under the Financial table. Navigate to where you saved the template and select it. And click on Open. A message stating that the record was successfully imported will appear at the bottom. The years that were modified and imported will now be in draft status. For each of the years you modified, you will need to click on Edit. Review the imported data and make sure it is correct. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Submit to submit the form. Now repeat this process for every year that was updated. You now understand how to complete the financial form using the Excel template. Make sure to watch our other videos to learn how to attach your financial statements and respond to reconciliation corrections. You can find these training videos and more on the cadac.ca training page.